Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Side. So today I'm gonna unbox this Samsung Galaxy M11. As you all know, Samsung is a famous electronics manufacturer brand from South Korea, which manufactures many products like the smartphones, smart TV, smartwatches, and whatnot, refrigerator. So this is the Indian version of Samsung Galaxy M11. The variant is 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 of octa-core chipset. Then this smartphone is running on Android 10 out of the box, and it can be upgraded up to Android 11. So at first, when I've removed the lid, I get this thing. Here comes some kind of paperwork. Let me open and check what's inside it. Although I've checked it, but I'm showing you again. There's a regional local guide. This is an Indian product. Warranty card only for India. Let me keep these things on side. What's more I could get inside it is quick start guide. Okay. Let me show you from inside. If you want, you can pause the video and check it out for any details. If you have lost your these quick start guide or your regional lock guide, this is a triple camera setup, and fingerprint scanner is at the back. It is a dedicated SIM slot, not the hybrid one with dual SIM plus micro SD card. It supports. Then let me keep this thing on side. This is the warranty card of Samsung. No, here's nothing to see over here, but still I'm showing you. You also have got the same warranty card from Samsung. Okay, and this is the regional log guide. There's nothing. It's just an Indian product. Is for India. SIM card, Indian SIM card will work. No other foreign SIM cards will work. Okay. Now coming to the smartphone. So this is the smartphone itself. Samsung Galaxy M11. Here's the USB Type C. Here comes the speaker grill. Here's the microphone. Here's another microphone. Plus this is the 3.5 mm jack. But Samsung does not provide any kind of earphones, as I've showed you in that thing. In the quick start guide, as I've shown you, Samsung does not provide any kind of. So this is actually notch. This is bezel-less display, as you can see. Here is the speaker grill, the front one, and the rear one, as I've shown you over here. And you have to purchase your back cover and also the screen guard, because this is not a screen guard. You have to purchase one. And okay, the phone is good. Let me keep the phone on side. Here comes the triple camera setup with flash and one fingerprint scanner over here. Let me keep this thing on side. What more do I get is power adapter. As you can see, this is the fast charging adaptive. It is from Samsung as the brand name. It's from India, so BISGOVN. Input is 100 to 240 volt. Okay. So this is a travel adapter. Let me keep this thing on side. So what's more I get inside this thing is the USB cable type C to type A. Let me open this and let me show you the length. The build quality is really good by Samsung. It is made in Vietnam. It's written over as in Vietnam, if you can see it, and there's some kind of code. Yeah, so see, the length is really nice. This is a type C. Okay, let me keep this thing aside. I just seriously don't understand. Yeah, one more thing we have over here, that is the SIM ejector pin. So this is the SIM ejector pin. As you can see, No, one thing I just don't understand, if Samsung is not providing any kind of earphones, then why is this place like Samsung has put in? See, makes no sense. Okay, now what to do? Now let me get back to the smartphone again. So here comes the smartphone, and let me show you the SIM slot settings. Over here is the ejector pin I have in my hand, and here is the SIM tray. So this is a dedicated SIM slot, as I've told you, dual SIM, nano SIM plus SD card, which could be expandable up to 256, 512 GB up to. So let me keep this thing back in the box and boot up the device. So as you can see, Samsung Galaxy M11 powered by Android. This is the phone itself. So let it boot it up. Let the system boot it up. The time I'm showing you. Okay, so as you can see, you know how to use this thing. USB Type A, USB Type C. You can put it in anywhere, as like both the sides are head and both the sides are like tail. So there's no, like in micro USB 2.0 there was like you have to put it in a particular way or it won't work, but over here both sides are head and tail. So okay, the system has booted up. Let me keep the adapter on side. Let's go. Okay, Samsung. Oh, there's no battery after all in these thing. It's English, United Kingdom. No problem. Okay, I'm sending it to the United States. Okay, then accessibility. Okay, check out some of the guest card. I haven't inserted the SIM card yet. Okay, okay, I have accepted it. Now let's keep on. Then next, it's choosing for Wi-Fi. I have to skip this thing. I don't need it. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. I don't need it again. Not required. I will do that thing later. Date and time. Well, okay. Next. Google services, as you all know, this thing comes. Okay, let me accept it. Here comes your fingerprint pattern, fingerprint on the back pattern, pin password. You all know face recognition is the face lock. Again, let me skip this thing. Yeah, I'm skipping it anyway. Later I would do it. Get recommended apps, Samsung Notes. Okay, Samsung from Samsung apps. No problem. Then sign into my Samsung account. Not required. I'm gonna skip this thing. Samsung Cloud, Samsung. Okay. I'm also gonna skip this thing. Yeah, all done. I'm finished. Now the app is using full screen home back. Okay. Samsung gave me some of his smartphone. Get access to okay exclusive. Okay, done. Now you can see the smartphone itself. Okay, so automatically such things have been turned on, but I don't understand why the battery is so super low. Okay, now it's working. Let me close you. There's the home back. There's the recently used apps. Then there's no battery left in the device anymore. Let me show you the settings of this smartphone. Well, about the phone. So here comes the settings of the smartphone. Here comes the connection, as you all know, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and those same things in each and every Android smartphone. Nothing special about Samsung one. Then you also have. Let me show you the something else. Oh yeah, over here, yeah. the storage. So actually the smartphone is 32 GB, and out of which you are exactly getting 22.1 GB. Out of 32 again is 10 GB is minus, so you are getting this thing. Nothing is used yet. Okay, so about the phone, okay, some software updates, auto download. Well, there's no problem with the Samsung's security updates. Samsung will always provide time to time updates for your device. Then okay, let me show you the sound settings. Display and the sound and vibration. Okay, sound. The Samsung is given. Then okay, then let me show you the camera performance of the device. So here are two camera modes I'm showing you. Let me show you the adapter itself. Just a minute, let me show you the adapter itself. Yeah, now you could see it. There's one, the another mode, the wide angle one, and this is the nearest one. Now let me show you the back one also. Okay, so it's a nice thing from Samsung. Some settings. So here you are getting front this 16:9 resolution. After that, let me get back, show you some more settings. Okay, mobile data power mode. Then let me show you something. Here comes the flashlight. As you can see, flashlight is working. Then let me turn it off. Let me show you something else on this device. Yeah, it comes with a Dolby Atmos speaker. Means these speaker grills, the speaker is of Dolby Atmos. Focus mode, flashlight, airplane mode, mobile data. Blue light filter means it protects your eyes. Do not disturb mode and all. Okay, so right now the smartphone giving indication that the battery is too less. Now to recharge it before using it. So what's this? Internet browser? No, nothing. The phone is pretty fast. As I've told you, it's running on your Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor. Design and manufactured by Samsung. Okay, consumer rights, no problem. See, the boot up is so automatically see the wallpapers are changing. I haven't connected with the internet also. Just have a look. The moment I'm pressing the power button, again coming back, the wallpapers are automatically changing from Samsung. Nice, Samsung. Yeah, fixed wallpaper. See, again this Macau, but yeah, it's saying we like connect the charger. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.